Punta po kami Dubai. Kasama ko po si Nicole, si Bob. Uwa! At ito ang Best Jam episode 18.
Pinangalanan.
Titled, hindi ko po alam kung saan kami pupunta.
I like messing in your bed, yeah. I like messing with your head. All my life I've been good, but now, whoa, I'm thinking what the hell? All my life I've been good, but now, whoa, yeah. All my life I've been good, but now, whoa, I'm thinking what the hell? And all I want is to mess around, and I don't really care about if you love me, if you hate me, you can save me, baby, baby. All my life I've been good, but now, whoa, I'm thinking what the hell?
Bago po kami batang ligaw, hindi ko alam kung saan ba kami kila Nicole, mag-sasabiling lakad kami, o saan po kami pupulutin. Ang alam po namin, ba yun? Ano po to, dedicated po to sa namamaalad mo si Chuck. Kami nalang nagkakaintindihan nun. Chuck, for life. Nerd hurts. So, yun, sa kami. Puntahan namin kayo kung saan kami at sino mga kasama namin. Kasama namin nanay ni Nicole, kapatid ko, tatay nito, nanay nito,
nanay
kapatid
ko?
namin. Kamusaan? Tatay mo.
Sabi mo nanay ko. Nasa Pilipinas ang nanay ko, te.
Whatever. So, yun po.
Over, ah.
Picture mo na kami. Wala pa din pong bus. Alas 10:30 na. So, see you then. Sinabiwan.
Wala na. Ay, picture.
Kalda pa. Basta battery. Gawangan pa nito.
Labas. Oh, lumalabas pa unti-unti. Susun. Tadan! Okay na.
Tama. Okay naman daw siya. Okay guys, nandito na po kami sa Dubai. So, yun, hindi po pa din po alam kung saan po pupunta, which is weird, but let's see.
Kain tayo.
Kain kami. Ano sa ba? Alauna na pala. So, yeah, kakain muna kami sa kainan. Balitaan nyo kayo mamaya.
You say that I'm messing with your head, all 'cause I was making out with your friend. Love hurts, whether it's right or wrong. I can't stop 'cause I'm having too much fun, yeah. You're on your knees begging, please stay with me. But honestly, I just need to be